My good people, now welcome back to Anointed Lady TV. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa where they sup for this our great white great country. So we be Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with reports we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say we all remember the former national anthem of this our nation, Nigeria, which is the Arise, O Compatriots. And all of us know very well, say along the line, the Nigerian men on the yarn, say the labour of our heroes past shall not be in vain. But as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, during a recent public event wey dey in honour of the late Edwin Clark, this event so dey happen on Wednesday wey be the 2nd day of May for this year so wey be 2025. The former governor of Anambra State now will be the presidential candidate of the Labour Party for the 2023 general elections. Him now don come outside dey yarn say the labour of our heroes past is very much in vain. As a matter of fact, men don scatter the labour, men don scatter the things and things wey the heroes past dem labour to build, wey the heroes past dem sweat to organize for inside we nation Nigeria. Mr. Peter Obi come still proceed further dey express disappointment with the way this our country Nigeria don turn out so. And as him dey yarn, he come dey respond to the comments, talk wey dey ground, say him wey be Mr. Peter Obi him dey demarket we nation Nigeria. He na come dey let men dey know for inside the event, say he was simply speaking the truth about the challenges wey people dey face for inside we nation Nigeria. No be like say him dey demarket we country, no be like say him dey talk bad against we country. Him just dey talk reality, him just dey talk how things be. Without wasting much of your time, my good people, make I just play the video, make all of us watch am together, make all of us hear how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Mr. Peter Obi.
A life of justice, a life that is valued, but most important, his continued living that life to the end. I listened to my brother Mike when he talked about, may the labor of our heroes past not be in vain. I'm sorry, I'm happy that Jagawan is here, and I'm happy that Jonathan is here. But I can tell you, their sacrifice is vain. They've sacrificed for nothing. When this country, when people were protesting, when there was no need to protest under Jonathan. Where are those protesters? Have they died? Where are they? So why are we saying it should not be in vain? Jonathan increased fuel from 87 naira to 120 and people were protesting in this country. And when it was 900, they were not protesting. Are they dead? So why are we saying it should not be in vain? People protested when Naira was 180 and when it was 1,005, they're not protesting. Are they dead? So well, let's not say it should not be in vain. I spoke a few days ago and people said I'm demarketing Nigeria. When it's true to be demarketed, World Bank has just shown that 75% of Nigerians in rural areas are poor. Is World Bank demarketing Nigeria? UNICEF 2 days ago released that Nigeria now have over 2 million malnourished children, the second highest in the world. Are they demarketing Nigeria? Let's tell the reality. Their labor is in vain. We have a country now that is not democratic. We are not a democratic country. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Is the election that happened in Edo, is it democratic? Just the last election in Edo is the most undemocratic election. Everybody knows who won that election. So why are we keeping it and saying, let your work not in vain? It is in vain. So we can start picking the pieces now because they've destroyed everything people have sacrificed for. Look at what is happening in Nigeria today. Above all, Jagawan, you sacrificed everything. The country people sacrifice has turned into a crime scene. All we do today is stealing. You know, and we have to do something. All we need to do is live a courageous life. May God Almighty that called him home grant him eternal rest and grant us the courage to look into what our father lived for and start picking our pieces. May God bless all of you.
So my good people, I believe say all of us now don't watch the video and all of us now don't hear am as the talk come aside from the mouth of Mr. Peter Obi. As in the year now say the labor of the heroes past are very much in vain. He said during the time of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, men be dey do protest, meanwhile they no supposed to dey do protest at all. But now wey things don choke, now we be say don't get that things be for inside we nation Nigeria. The countrymen are very much silent, nobody dey do anything about the matter. Mr. Peter Obi constantly talk about the international organizations plus the World Bank as in they talk about the inflation and things wey don go wrong for inside we nation Nigeria. And nobody come outside dey talk say the international organizations, that is the World Bank and UNICEF, nobody talk say they demarket Nigeria. But anytime we come outside they talk the truth about how things be for inside we nation, men go dey criticize, men go dey yarn, say in the demarket we nation. Finally, Mr. Peter Obi come criticize the way men dey do elections for inside we nation Nigeria. He criticize the way elections are being handled. He said the recent election for inside Edo State was not democratic at all. So make men face the reality. Make them come outside and talk truth. The labor of the heroes past are very much in vain. Right now, men need to gather the pieces and make work from there. But however, my good people, this talk now will come aside from the mouth of Mr. Peter Obi. Men now don't carry and they go far. Many dey in support, many dey against. Some people dey yarn now say na Mr. Peter Obi not supposed to be our president. Say they don't know how Tinubu take enter office. Say the man don't play one or two mago now why he's down as president of we nation Nigeria. Why some way they against come dey yarn. Say make Peter Obi go sit down. Say last Obi is a boy. Say make him come outside come dey talk wetin him for do differently if to say they elect him as president of this our nation Nigeria. Say go just dey go up and down, they talk for media, they criticize the government. Meanwhile, he no get any strong resolve, he no get any plans, he no be get better policy wey go for benefit the lifestyle of the general public. Now onto the things wey come aside for Mr. Peter Obi mouth as we take watch for the video. I believe say many still get things to talk about. So anyhow the matter be you for body my good person, or if you be say you get contributions, no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to give on our legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come your side, now go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. Now may they come back with more news, may they go get more reports, may they go get more information for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.